A delegation of the State Health Department will meet the Union Health Minister next week to seek support for strengthening of health sector besides resolving different issues of the prestigious Negrims located in Shillong. Informing this, Health Minister Ampreen Lyngdoh said that the state government will press for the recognition before the Union Health Ministry on the lines of AIIMS. She also informed that the government would take up the matter pertaining to the operationalization of the Cancer Research Center in the institute. The Health Minister also said that there should be special quota seats for the doctors of Meghalaya to study postgraduate studies in Negrims.
Used to have a status not like a national institute like AIIMS and others, so we want that to get sorted out. The second thing is we want a fast track and operationalization of the cancer hospital adjacent to the Negrims hospital in the same campus. That is a very important that's going to be a very important project, so we would like to bring it to the attention of the Honorable Minister of Health for the Union Government. Enable our own doctors to avail a special quota to study post-graduation studies in the Negrims facility.
Agriculture Minister Dr. Ampreen